Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing a couple slimes. Let's get my table. Okay, so the first thing we are going to be reviewing is a Play-Doh cloud slime. I already see a con. The add-ins are not in a baggie or anything, and this is going to be messy. I have an idea. We're going to flip it upside down and then, yes. This is the summer kit. It has yellow and pink, has some rose, heart, and diamond add-ins. Let's start with yellow. I got it out, and then let me open it. Let me try and take it out. Here's my first impression. Okay, this is a little bit hard to get out. This is not a cloud slime at all. This is a butter slime. I'm going to add some roses in this slime. I added some roses and the slime just kind of ate it. I really like this one. Let's open the pink one. I just want to mention it's very hard to get them out of the container. I'm going to add some of the clear beads to this one. I have some clear beads and I'm going to add them to the slime. I'm going to take some of my own charms and put them in them. I'm going to put some hearts in the pink one. Made it very soft and textured. I'm going to put pink balls